Check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. The licensed Mercedes CLS 350 12-volt battery electric ride-on car, officially licensed by Mercedes and comes with complete Mercedes badges and detailing. This super stylish car comes complete with a handy parental remote control for additional safety. It's suitable for children of up to 5 years of age or up to 110 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, functioning horn, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. This multimedia player is compatible with both our key-shaped USB sticks and our brand new Bluetooth adapters. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. Padded leather style seats. The 3-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.